Would you get a picture of me?
I would look like a little toy, a midget.
Oh. Santaʻs Sleigh is Hawaiian electric vehicle. Hello. Yeah, before. Yeah. Yeah, we're in downtown Honolulu, checking out. We're gonna go into Honolulu Hale over there. Check out what decorations they have this year. Pretty much the same out here. This is Hauʻoli Makahiki Ho for Happy New Year. And on this side it says Mele Kalikimaka for Merry Christmas. And this is brought to you by Olelo Community Media. Okay. That's true, yeah. Cheryl's saying that. This is my wife Cheryl, if you guys didn't know. That there used to be more decorations out here, displays, but maybe not so much. After COVID, yeah, they kind of toned it down a little bit. Frosty the Snowman brought to you, the family.
Oh, it's a snow family.
This is brought to you by Aloha Pacific Federal Credit Union. Is that the Liberty Bell of Aloha? Yeah, Liberty Bell of Aloha.
Where did it come from?
Declaration for Peace. The Honolulu City Lights, the Bears, brought to you by 7-Eleven Hawaii. Back there they have the Alliance, I think it's a Lions Club one.
Oh,
Yeah, maybe we'll show them. We missed the tree lighting ceremony thing that they had here the other night, and they had a parade and everything. Kimi A. Minor was there lighting the tree, I think, yeah. Missed that. We were tired after we had another event we had to go to. Hula Implements brought to you by Hawaiian Airlines. There's an ipu, ukulele. What's the drum called? And then the ili, no, puili ili, no, huh? Uli uli. Oh. The big tree. It's supposed to be an honor to have your tree picked for this. Hey, what happened to the bears that were on the drum?
No, they have gingerbread now.
Oh.
It's not those drumming bears.
Yeah, it's still cool though.
Yeah, everyone is different.
Yeah.
There's a gingerbread man.
I think that means we gotta go around the whole thing. There's Honolulu Holly in the back there. We're gonna go in there and look at the trees in a little bit.
There's a park too over here. What is this?
I don't know.
It's like a sea serpent.
It does look like a sea serpent.
A dinosaur.
Cool. Oh yeah. Now we're gonna go there. How's that? Wanted to get the outside first. Thank you. What time are you folks open? What time? It's 7? 7?
7.
7. Oh, early. Wow.
Then we close at 10, I think.
10 o'clock. Oh, okay, okay. Oh, that's a long time. Oh, that's good. Okay. Okay, thank you. Yeah. Yeah. We're lucky we can come back. Yeah. What's it in? And then there's the torch over there that's not lit. We do some 360 later. Short one. Shaka Center and Tūtū Mele, brought to you by Missy. Okay, we're gonna go look inside.
Yeah.
Thank you. Lions Club, yeah, I think. Lions Boulevard. Sorry, we're in the back there. Oh, Lions International, yeah. We're in the back of, outside of Honolulu Hale. We just want to show the rest of the stuff here.
Got the eyeglasses on.
Yeah. And here's, you can put your letters to Santa here.
No, it says
And if you guys needed a manger scene, then here you are. All right. There you go. Okay, that's it for our Honolulu City Lights during the daytime. Yeah, so you guys can still come down here if you're here on Oahu. And I think they said Honolulu Hale is open to see the trees until from like 7 in the morning to like 10. I don't know about 7 though. The guard was a little iffy about that, so maybe by 8 to 10. And then at night, I think on the weekends they're gonna have stuff, yeah, where they sell some goodies and trinkets and stuff to and everything's all lit up. I don't know. I wonder if they're gonna have rides and stuff like they usually do.
That train that
Yeah.
goes around the
So I don't know. We will see. Well, we may not see. But you guys might see if you guys come down. Thanks for watching, everybody. Happy holidays. Everybody be safe out there. Aloha.